Mark Cuban confirmed after February 17 minimum price XRP to $245. Bitcoin lost $2,000 in just a few hours. XRP is no exception, which has fallen by 20% over the past few days. But XP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on the support of the US presidential administration. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Can you guess the answer to this riddle? It's difficult. Well, that's exactly what the SEC case against Ripple is about. Interestingly, the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology may well be decided by this lawsuit filed at the end of 2020. Notably, the SEC stated that XRP is classified as a security because it was used to finance the Ripple platform, which facilitates money transfers for retailers. At first it looked like a child's game. But later, legal jargon dominated the scene, leaving half of the investors confused. However, on February 10, 2022, Ripple filed its SIR reply regarding the SEC's proposal to cancel the Fair Notice of Positive Protection. This is mainly to counter the SEC's inappropriate request for a court notice. In fact, the last 2 weeks have been quite busy for the crypto community, as investors have seen that things are going in Ripple's favor. Interestingly, some, very optimistic, analysts believe that if it were not for the SEC case, XRP could compete with ETH in the ranking right now. However, the price analysis does not seem to confirm this version. At the time of writing, XRP was changing hands at a price of $0.8438, which is 21% more over the past 24 hours. The rally started on February 3 and found strong support at $0.7692. Unexpectedly, demand seems to have increased in the range from $0.9102 to $0.7692. In this way, investors can benefit from the buying opportunity. Also, the RSI seem to be in favor of the bulls. Short-term consolidation can lead to more buyers with high hopes. You can also see trend lines forming an ascending wedge on the chart. Undoubtedly, this is a positive sign for token holders. However, before making a decision about investing, it is necessary to look at the volume oscillator. This indicator showed a value of -17% at the time of printing without any signs of revival. Curiously, many believe that the unexpected increase in the price-quality ratio of XRP was caused by the Ripple lawsuit. After February 3, news appeared in favor of Ripple, after which there was an XRP rally. Well, that's only half the story when we look at metrics. For example, daily active addresses after December 23, 2021 had an uptrend. This is a sign that the number of unique addresses active on the network as a sender or recipient has not formed a plateau. In essence, this means that token holders have not abandoned XRP. They see some potential for making money on the coin by selling or buying. Moreover, the number of whale transactions has been declining significantly for more than 2 weeks. Short-term holders have left the market, and long-term holders will remain. In addition, it also confirms the fact that the pressure from sellers evaporated when the bulls took command in the macroeconomic perspective. Although several indicators may please investors, another indicator that can tell a lot about the movement of the coin in the future is social dominance. As a rule, huge social dominance is a positive sign for any coin. Investors tend to believe this and sometimes hold an asset longer than expected, in anticipation of future profits. However, in the case of XRP, the picture looks bleak. After September 7, 2021, the token did not have significant growth. This is definitely an area that investors can explore before deciding on HODL. Risk takers are currently enjoying the XRP rally. However, it would be better for XRP holders to know when to exit the market, as the situation in the SEC case against Ripple may soon change. In a recent interview, Rahul Advani, Ripple's Director of Policy in the Asia-Pacific region, spoke about the Ripple Net On-Demand Liquidity (ODL) service, which is based on XRP digital assets. Advani's comments were made during an interview with the financial news platform Bread. When asked how Ripple plans to adapt to the growing demand for cross-border settlements based on cryptocurrencies, he replied, "The big problem that RippleNet solves is in today's banking system. There are significant liquidity problems, and a lot of capital is associated with pre-financing. Ripple solves this problem using a solution called Liquidity on Demand, ODL. Our clients can use the XRP digital asset as a neutral intermediate asset between the two currencies, which eliminates the need for pre-financing on target accounts and significantly reduces their capital overheads and operating costs." As for his thoughts on the development of CBDC in APAC countries, Advani had to say the following: "I think it's quite obvious that the Asia-Pacific region is an example for both retail and wholesale CBDC. However, in the future, central banks will have to solve the problem of interoperability when it comes to cross-border payments. If each country creates its own digital currency, then we are simply recreating the same disparate system that we have today, which means that countries will not be able to use each other's CBDC. Therefore, interoperability to facilitate cross-border transactions is of key importance here. And this is where neutral intermediary assets like XRP, which is a publicly available and decentralized open-source digital asset, can continue to play a role. So, what we see for XRP and ODL, which acts as a neutral bridge between currencies, we see the same use case for CBDC, where ODL can be used as a neutral bridge between CBDC. The legal fight between Ripple and the U.S. Securities Commission has taken a new turn after Ripple filed a new motion to force the agency to hand over records of a meeting between its boss Brad Garlinghouse and a former SEC commissioner. Ripple filed a motion on February 10 to force the SEC to hand over recordings from a November 9, 2018 meeting between Garlinghouse and former SEC Commissioner Elad Roizman. In the petition, Ripple informs Justice of the Peace Sarah Netburn that the regulatory authority refused to provide the documents, claiming that they are privileged. Ripple's legal team argued that the SEC should not claim the privilege because the meeting was between the commissioner and a third party, which means it was not an internal matter. Moreover, the SEC itself admitted that it was not about a potential forced investigation of Ripple. The proposal also emphasizes that the meeting records provided by the SEC indicate that the head of Ripple left the meeting with the idea that the securities watchdog was well aware of the legal purgatory caused by regulatory uncertainty. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.